How to get Instagram profile color themes and gold rings. So, you may have seen some Instagram profile with custom backgrounds, colors, or gold ring around their profile picture. So, can you enable this on your own account? Right now, no. These features are connected to Instagram's Instagram Rings program, which recognizes a select group of creators for creativity and cultural impact. Creators selected for rings receive special recognition, including a physical gold ring. They also receive exclusive feature on Instagram, including a gold profile ring and the ability to customize their profile background color. If you can find these options in your Instagram settings, there's nothing wrong with your account. They are currently exclusive to creators selected for the Ring program and are not regular customization feature that everyone can turn on. So be careful with the videos claiming there is a hidden setting to unlock them. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking